What's up, Hellhounds? Welcome, because today we're going to be unboxing another thing. Okay, Hellhounds, today I got this thing. It's bubble wrap. But what is it, you guys? Well, you're about to find out. It's a game box. If you guys are familiar with the Game Boys, it's basically that. It's supposed to be this like device that has like 400 plus games in. Wild, right? And it's actually not that expensive to get either. I got it for around 200 pesos. That's Philippine currency. So, give or take, that's around $5, $5 US ish. So I need scissors. So let's go do that first. Okay, first impression, the way it looks like. I don't think it's like really well packaged. Why? Listen. You hear that? It's like it's not secure in the box. So that's concerning. So let's go. I'm gonna go get my scissors and then we'll unbox. So here's the box. It's a SUP. It's a SUP game box. So I don't need to explain what brand it's trying to capture. Okay? Well, basically they have this on their products, the SUP. Okay? They have the SUP on their products. And it's supposed to resemble a certain product in red with a similar few starting letters. So let's see if they nailed it, okay? Again, doesn't feel like it's secure in the box, and it's not taped or anything. It's hard to tell, Opening it, oh, okay, it's not that bad. Okay, first of all, pulling it out, be careful, because the charger's under and all these cables. Basically, you can, if you decide to, plug this to your TV. That's actually pretty neat. Kind of wish it was HDMI. So you have this, so you can plug it to your TV, and then this is the charging cable. So it's a Type C, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, again, as always, correct me in the comment section below. So here's the user manual. Looking at the back of this SUP game box, I thought you'd need AA batteries, but inside the box, the thing that you heard shaking around actually was this. This is what was shaking around inside the box. The battery. So let's go put that in. I don't know if this has a charge. Anyway, I want you guys to take a look at how it looks like. This is the SUP game box. So simple up, down, left, right. But we have buttons here. It's B, Y, X, B, Y, X, and A. We have the select and start button, and we also have speakers over here. So it's a very interesting device, especially if you could plug this onto your TV. I'll give you guys a review on how it is. Anyway, let's see if this thing has an on. So it gives you two options, English or Chinese. Obviously, we're going to try to go for English because that's what I understand. There we go. 401 games. Everybody, there is 401 games. We have Super Mario, Mario 14, Mario 3, Dr. Mario. There's so much. I'm not gonna go through all 400, but let's try playing some games, shall we? We'll go for Contra. I haven't played Contra in forever. And I'm dead. I don't know how to quit. Oh, I think this R button in the middle is what you press to restart. Okay, so English again, and you'll have all the games. All the way until 400. You have pinball. There is so much you can do on this thing. And it's super adorable. I'm gonna try out a few more games. I don't know if you guys want to see me do that, but we're gonna do it. Anyway, so you guys won't probably get to see it properly because, well, there's pretty much no better way for me. I only have one cam. I died in the most ridiculous way too. It's really loud. I kind of wish you could control the volume, but really there isn't a way for you to do that. Oh shit, there is. I found it, ladies and gentlemen. The volume is right here, okay? There's a volume meter over here, so There we go. This is the SUP GameBox. Okay, we unboxed it. We looked at it. I really like the features. I am yet to try and plug it onto a TV just because I don't know if my TV still has this. Probably does actually. I'm gonna test this out right now, and I guess if you guys want to know if it actually works on the TV, leave a comment down below. Okay, and if you've enjoyed this video, please leave. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That helps me out. All of that is free, and it helps me out greatly. And I very much appreciate all the support that you guys give me. Is there anything else you guys want me to unbox? Leave them in the comments below. Send me a message. Feel free to just message me. This is adorable. Again, super cheap, 200 plus, less than 300 pesos, around $5, $5 to $6, and it is a pretty cool device. I am yet to try and see how long this thing will last. If I, like how long the battery should last. Anyway, this is still like factory charged and everything, so we'll see. I'll plug it onto the TV. If you guys want to know again if it works, just leave a comment section. Leave a comment in this comment section below, and I'll get back to you. And that's it. This is a really cool, really cool device. And if you guys really want to play all those classic games, I think this is a really good way to go. And there's a lot of them available. I'll leave a link to this one in particular, the SUP GameBox, in the comment section below. I'll leave a Shopee link, and I'll check Amazon if they have it. If they have it, you'll find it in the description below. If not, then I'm gonna look for a similar game box, a 401. Okay. As always, please be kind to one another. I'll see you guys in the next one.